The difference between classical realistic portrait and abstract or informal painting. The art world encompasses a wide range of style and artistic approaches. And one of the most evident contrasts is between classical realistic portraiture and abstract or informal painting. While both styles have their unique appeal, learning to paint a portrait in a classical style can present particular challenges. In this video, we will explore the difference between classical realistic portraiture and abstract or informal painting, as well as the difficulties that artists may encounter in learning classical portraiture. Classical realistic portraiture focuses on the accurate representation of details, proportions, and physical characteristics of the person, while abstract or informal painting rely on free artistic expression unconstrained by realistic rules. Also, to paint a figurative portrait, it is essential to have a deep understanding of human anatomy, including the proportions and structure of the face and body. This requires dedicated study and careful observation. Precision in capturing details is crucial to capturing the essence of the sitter. From shading wrinkles to rendering hair, every small detail must be executed with care and accuracy. Also requires a thorough understanding of shading, lights, and shadows to create three-dimensional depth of painting surface. This challenge may require time and practice to master. Classical portraiture is based on traditional artistic principles such as perspective, composition, and realistic color. Artists must master these rules and learn to use them creatively to create a balanced and convincing artwork. In classical portraiture, artists often paint live subjects. This requires the ability to capture the appearances and essence of the person in real time, with additional challenges related to maintaining the subject's pose. It demands great patience and dedications. Artists must be prepared to dedicate long hours to observation, study, and meticulous execution of every detail to create a realistic and captivating artwork. In addition to capturing the physical appearance, a painter often seeks to express the emotions and personality of the subject. This requires a deep understanding of human psychology and the ability to convey these emotions on the canvas. To achieve precise and realistic rendering, figurative painters often rely on direct observation of the subject. This means working with live models or high-quality photographs to capture the subtle nuances of facial expressions and individual features. It also demands advanced technical mastery of various painting techniques such as color mixing, glazing, gradients, and texture. The combination of these skills takes time and perseverance to fully develop. Traditional portraiture offers a rich and demanding artistic approach, focusing on the precise and detailed representation of the subjects. Learning to create classical portraits requires in-depth study, meticulous control of details, and mastery of many technical skills. However, the challenge is worth it, as it allows artists to create timeless and engaging artworks that capture the beauty and the essence of individuals. We should always appreciate the efforts behind the creation of portrait And stop assuming that anyone can do it, because that's not true. We have become too accustomed to seeing images on phones and digital images. I'm joking, but if this world were to end, the only ones capable of materializing dreams would be classical painters. I don't want to create a conflict between art styles, but it is important to clarify to art enthusiasts the differences between one approach and another. For example, I don't have anything against Tracy Emin. She is a contemporary artist. How was she able to become a director of the Royal Academy? She doesn't know how to draw in a classical way. Big institutions like a Royal Academy, they should promote drawing and tradition and leave artistic experimentation to other art institutions. Something was wrong, and we have to explain the differences to prevent this mistake from happening again. Okay, we are at the end of the video. If you want to see all demonstration about this portrait, you have to consider to subscribe at my Patreon page. I will leave you the link below. Thank you for following me and see you at the next video.